Hello, George. Fat Ninja Food Forest. I'm in the wormery. Just built this new sifter. Pretty excited about it. Just modified it, put a hole at the bottom so the overs and stuff that don't fit through can fall out the bottom. I had a new motor here today, put a motor up top. Put a switch, I put that switch separate so it doesn't get shaken around. Just like the commercial ones, it doesn't work good with this real wet compost. I've got to let this dry down, but I'll take some of this and show you how it works. How the overs fall out the bottom into the pan there. I'll take a little bit of this drier compost. It's been sifted once already just to show you how it works when it's dry. It just works fabulous. I'm very, very happy with it. It's going to get loud for a minute. See, I just shake this on there. Falls to the bottom. The overs come out the bottom. Compost comes out the bottom. A few worms go through, and most of the worms out the bottom. This compost is more dry. You'll see how well it works. I throw a big old shovelful on there. Help this out the bottom a little. Voila. Pretty excited. It's going to save a lot of effort. See this hole in the bottom? There's the motor I've mounted on the back. I almost put the switch there, but as I got thinking about it, I'd be shaking it too much. That'll be a time saver. Oop, shut it off too quick. There's a few worms left. Change for better than holiday. Peace.